Here we are at exam 2, problem 16, and it looks like we're asked to find the integral of this function with the bounds 2 and k when it's set equal to -3. So we're looking for a value of k, so what we're going to start out with is just taking the antiderivative of this right here. So 2x, the antiderivative of that is just x squared, and the antiderivative of 2 is just 2x. So that's there. Now we'll set it up with our bounds. So it'll be 2 squared minus 2 times 2. Again, because that's our bound. And then we subtract it from k squared minus 2k. Alrighty. So we're just going to simplify these, so it becomes 4 minus 4 minus k squared minus 2k. 4 minus 4 comes out to be 0, and then we just have negative k squared minus 2k. And right now we're going to distribute this negative to each of these variables. So it'll end up being negative k squared plus 2k. And now, since it said up here it'll be equal to -3, that's what we're going to set this equal to. And if we want to solve for a possible value of k, we're going to want everything set equal to 0, so we'll add this 3 over. Negative k squared plus 2k plus 3 equals 0. So now we're just going to FOIL this so we can clean it up and find out what a possible value of k is, like it told us to. Looks like it'll be negative k plus 3 and k plus 1. So now we'll set each of these equal to 0 individually. Negative k plus 3 equals 0 and k plus 1 equals 0. So this k will be equal to -1 right here. And right here, we'll just flip that over there. Negative k equals -3. And that's the same thing as saying k equals 3. Alright. So we have 2 solutions, and it asked for one possible value right here. So we have 3 and -1. And if we look for -1, we don't find it, so it can't be -1. And we see a 3 here, so it has to be E. The final answer for problem 16, exam 2 is E. And before I end this video, I have a quick shout out to the one and only Jack Zwart. As you can see, he's been giving her since '97. And he's got some pretty fire tweets, so go check him out. Twitter handle @JZwart07.